Oh man, back on Ratchet and Clank. Oh, it's such a hype, such a mood. And I mean also with Detroit Become Human being finished the other day, you know, we're back on this. It's kind of shortened down to a little Ratchet and Clank in Persona. And what else do we have in that mix? Oh, Star Wars, of course. I completely forgot that we were running that too. It has been a little while since I've recorded some videos, so do apologize for the lack in remembering, but I do appreciate all the love in the last few videos on the shorts, you know, especially on Oster-Eve and all the other games, so I'm big time hyped to be back in the mix with you all, so welcome. And without further ado, we left off on the pirate map, Ardolus. We were vibing. I'm pretty sure we got everything done. Yeah, we got everything done. Like, yeah, you know, there might be a few crystals here, raritanium, whatever. But either way, we basically got everything all set up. And I believe the last thing we had awaiting us was we were going back to... I believe we were going back to a particular map, a map world, with Rivet, I think. Right? Let's see, hold on. Let's take a look. Stop the Emperor's invasion. Oh, yeah.
Save Sargasso.
So we gotta go back and save Sargasso. Oh, man. It's gonna be crazy. Okay, cool. So I think that's what we're gonna just dive right into. I'd say there's potential that we might mess around in this.
Arena, she can level up our weapons.
All right, cool.
Wonder
Let's do this.
what Rivet's up to.
The Emperor was bad enough, but now that he has the Dimensionator...
We will not lose your friends.
So, if Ratchet is an alternate dimension me, and Clank is an alternate dimension you, were we meant to team up too?
They do seem happy together.
Yeah. Guess being on my own is just what I'm used to.
Me too.
So maybe this is just
Temporary.
Furious.
Is all this fighting
man.
really necessary? Can't we talk about this over some lemonade?
No! The Emperor despises lemonade. Nothing should be sour and sweet.
I am done with these guys. Nobody messes with the Morts. Emperor is truly the worst. Hey, you done picking on the little guys?
Love that. You shall suffer with it.
More of the Emperor's forces are here for us. I mean,
All of these rifts. The Emperor has become even more dangerous with the Dimensionator.
Oh, do not remember me like this.
Nice, okay. Oh, nice. Look at that. We love an achievement. Come on now. Oh, that's our own guys.
All enemies neutralized.
All enemies
Friends are
neutralized. Sweet.
for now.
Oh.
Let's go talk to Mort and find out what's going on.
You are just the best!
All right, all right, all right.
Aw, Rivet. Sorry you had to come save us again. We tried to hold our own, fixed up the secropede and everything.
But one of those dimensional thingamajiggers is blocking it from taking off.
First off, none of this was your fault. Second, leave the thingamajigger to us.
Raise her up! By the
Here
way,
we go.
say hi to Kit. Rivet is a
Oh, man.
Getting closer to the Seekerpede. Let's keep pushing forward. Emperor requires
Oh, yeah. Come on.
Lombards is that makes them so persistent. Counterparts even more annoying. Believe me. What you hoping? Release that ramshackle Seekerpede. Wait till your mind must be. Just you wait, Lombards. There are big expansive plans in store for Sector. Steady there, Doctor. We don't want to spoil the surprise.
Oh my gosh. I am just getting... Oh my gosh. I'm getting absolutely cooked by these dudes. Why is the gun shooting so slow? So weird.
That is the last of it. Let's keep following Maynard toward that Seekerpede.
Real quick, double check the map. We're not missing anything, right? Okay, alright, okay, alright.
The Emperor's being very thorough. It'll be okay. We'll free the Seekerpede and the fight will start going our way. It will.
Oh, is this one that we've... I think we've already been to this one. Yeah.
We will be such great.
Cooking. Come on. I love this. It's crazy that you know, they just come after Sargasso like this again. Come on now. Oh yeah. We get rolling for the Emperor.
The nefarious dropship. Sure. Why not?
Oh wow. Oh, Nefarious's judgment? Oh my god. Okay. Oh wow, okay, so we need to be just a bit better than that. Oh. Oh, we're about to level that thing up too. Oh. Oh, okay. I forgot that I can use this. Oh. Oh, wow. Wow, 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 wow. Hello there. See, I wanna slowly start leveling everything up. Like everything's doing pretty good. Oh,
The Emperor will hear of this.
the Emperor will hear of this. Blah, 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 blah. Oh, okay.
You will regret this insolent rebel.
What? What a shot! Ooh-wee. Oh my. Okay. Wow. Just chain hit now. Okay. I wonder if we're just able to. Really? Oh man.
I have no word.
Ooh. Oh, just barely.
That was satisfying. All right, thingamajigger.
All right, thingamajigger. Here we
I am
go.
looking forward to examining that anomaly.
What are we supposed to do? Are we supposed to go around this? Okay.
You could use some nanotech.
Oh, I was like,
So
what are we
when I
supposed to
was
do?
Clank-
Stop popping up.
It is just like what I imagined.
Kit? Oh, Kit! Oh, you're all right.
This is an electric sphere.
Ah, you remembered your training. What happened to Clank?
He's traveling to Argolis with Ratchet. You two have met?
He's been helping me take care of these dimensional anomalies.
Oh, so that explains why this all feels so familiar.
It does? Fascinating. Some kind of dimensional deja vu. Anyway, care to help?
Absolutely.
That's intriguing. The Synergizer converted the dimensional energy into action.
Wow, feeling lighter already.
Wait, what am I missing here? Oh, hold on. Oh, that, I guess that has to keep going there? Oh. Okay. Very nice.
Kit, you're just as fast a learner as Clank.
You're just a puzzle on us,
How
Clank.
bad are things now?
Well, we're circling the drain. It seems that the dimensional cataclysm has been in...
So, what do you think of Clank?
Oh, talented, resourceful, very shy.
Agreed, agreed, agreed.
I can see why he'd be your counterpart.
What does that mean?
It's a compliment, Kit, to both of you. What do you think of Clank?
We have barely spoken, but I am glad my counterpart is a good guy.
You were worried about that?
It is a reasonable concern.
Well, it wasn't for me. You're good. No, great. So of course he would be too.
Oh God. Interesting. Hooray!
You, Kit, you're doing work worthy of being cataloged in the archives.
You're doing work worthy of being cataloged in the archives.
So
Nice.
if Clank is with Ratchet, does that mean you're here with Rivet?
As we have been destined to be,
Is that what you think is happening?
I do not know. With Ratchet, we worked well together, but I was always worried about disappointing him, and I still am with Rivet. But it also feels like we already know each other.
Well, destiny or not, I hope Rivet realizes how lucky she is to have you.
Zero gravity at my fingertips.
I hope I'm not interrupting your process, but I think there are more spheres left to find.
Interesting.
I can weigh things down with this.
Kit, you know that you've done better than I would have if I had been in your shoes, right?
What?
You went out into the unknown, without a lifeline, doing the last thing you ever wanted to do. And you're succeeding. I could never have done that.
But you are. Trying to fill in for your father. Helping Clank and I navigate all of this. You are doing that. And succeeding.
In that case, go us!
Go us.
That was nice.
these jerks will really find out who they're messing with, don't you know? Mosh, please.
Nice work.
Nice.
Want to blow that up?
I could be persuaded.
Not exactly a straight line to the battle cruiser, but that hurl shot should get us closer.
Oh, trying to use my own syncopede against me. Oh, I do love watching others battle themselves. Yes, how can you possibly ultimately beat the variant? Right. Honestly, I'm losing you. Now, I want to see how far you can go before I trample you.
Now, I want to see how far you can go. You're about to find out.
Oh, wow. Look at this. Here we go. All right. Yeah, good night.
Sorry to crash the
Yeah,
party.
good night, nerds. Oh. Where's some ammo at? Oh man.
How do we sink this thing?
Maybe there's a way to damage its power source.
You there, Ribbit? We locked on the kid's signal. Trudy's coming to help. Just hop on her back.
Oh, yay, Trudy.
A little more interesting, shall we? All cruisers, activate your destructor beams.
All cruisers, activate your destructo beams.
Did he just say planetary devastation?
Ribbit, our equipment's going haywire. The cruisers are blasting straight through the planet's crust.
Those destructo beams can destroy an entire planet in mere minutes. The Emperor is going to wipe out all of Sargasso.
He can try. I'm not gonna let him destroy my home.
You leave the mothership to us, Ribbit. We'll keep her busy with our pesky syncopede.
You got it. We'll handle those battle cruisers.
Oh, that is so cool. Whoa.
Destroyed. I'm devastated. Whatever will I do? Shields up, my darling battle cruisers.
Shields? It just couldn't be easy.
Those shields are impenetrable to any weapon we have. I do not know how we will get
Not
past
for
them.
long.
We threw together some bombs out of our gelatonium stash that should help you take down those shields. Trudy can pick them up and toss them at the cruisers.
Yeah, the bombs
Oh.
weren't mentioned. Let's grab one.
Oh, yeah. Oh, God, what the? What did I... What? I thought I already got one. Okay. Am I grabbing one, or...? I feel like such a goof. I don't understand why, Did I just mess it up or something? Oh, no. How
Let's see how their
weird.
shields hold up against one of these.
Take that, Emperor
Holy
Nefarious.
crap.
Nice hit. Let's keep it up.
tired of waiting. All cruisers increase team strength to 120%. I want Sargasso broken.
Oh, jeez. Things are rumbling and tumbling down here, Rivet. We're all counting on you two.
Sargasso is becoming unstable. We must act quickly and destroy the other battle cruisers.
Mayday! Mayday! They winged us! Gonna attempt a water landing! It's all up to you now, Rivet!
It's all up to you now, Rivet.
Trudy, finish those battle cruisers off.
Rifles! You can stop us! Concentrate all power on the planet. Destroy it all!
Rivet, the battle cruiser's destructo beam is moments away from breaching the planet's core. You must...
Don't worry about me. Oh, that's so perfect.
You did it!
We did it.
Oh, there they are! Hey! Rivet and Kit! Rivet and Kit!
All right. You're welcome.
Lord, break out the lemonade. We're getting crazy tonight. Another unlikely win just in time to cross you off the list. Off to Zordu prison you go. Oh, who needs tradition? Let's spice things up.
We appear
Whoa.
to be in a pocket dimension.
Luckily, the all-knowing Emperor didn't realize I know exactly how to get out of him. No, too far. Come on, Rips, work with me here.
You two seem to have a lot of history.
Yeah, you could say that. I've fought a long time to win our galaxy back. Lost friends, my arm.
The Emperor did that?
Oh, not exactly. It happened during a mission. I found a secret entrance into the Emperor's tower. So I tried to sneak in, alone. The door was right there. I didn't notice one of Nefarious' warbots was nearby. I thought I could run. I wasn't fast enough. Then it just stopped. I got away before it could finish the job. But I built myself this cool new arm, so it's not all bad.
Rivet.
That's fine. Hey, look! An exit! Check this out.
Oh, she was the warbot.
Hey,
Wow.
Ratchet! Sargasso's safe and sound. Well, mostly. Any good news?
Oh, good. We talked to Quantum and got a bug off of him. Guess who can listen in to the Emperor?
Let's meet at Zerky's. This might be our chance to get ahead of them.
Awesome. Well, it might be a shorter one, but I wanted it to be one where we knock it out and we have it all be one fell swoop. Saving Sargasso. Oh my gosh. That was awesome. That was a really smooth little run right there. We also got the mothership down in no time. Absolutely knocked it out. And also, the planet's fully knocked out too. I mean, yeah, there's some more rare titanium here or there, but not really anything else that we needed to get knocked out here on this one either. So I love it. We're absolutely cruising. We saved Sargasso. We're looking elite. So I hope you all enjoyed that one. Again, I don't know. I don't know necessarily when I started this one, but it is definitely going to be a quicker episode compared to other ones. But be prepared for a longer haul, as I feel like we're getting closer to the end on this game. But I'm loving every bit of it, and I hope you all enjoy it too. Have a great rest of your days and nights wherever you are. Drink some water. Stay lethal. I'll see you guys in the next one.